Hey guys, it's Julia here. Welcome back to another video. Yeah! Today we're gonna be unboxing Glossybox advent calendar. I should have started since day one, but I wanted to open the first 7 days, day 1 to day 7. Today is the 6th of December. I'm gonna open day 1 to day 7, then day 8 to day 14, and then day 15 to 21. You get the gist. Wait, what? So every week basically I'm gonna open 7. Let's get into it. Now you guys can't see the beauty that this is. The beauty that this is. Ooh. This is £585, if I'm not mistaken, worth product. But you can get it for, you know what, I'll double check the prices and I'll put them in the description box below. Yo, I cannot guess what's inside. So it's the Medic Aids Liquid Rehydration Serum. Oh my god, look, it's got the measurements in milliliters. And that is day 1. I'm already obsessed. Day 2, we have to find it. There's no day 2 up here. So I'm guessing it'll be here somewhere. It is. It's over here. Can you see it? It's the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow. I love me a lip glow. Roll it out. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. What did my true love send to me on the 3rd day of Christmas? Bare Minerals primer. It's a gel primer, guys. Makeup and skincare lovers, you will thank me for this box. This is a dream. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. What did my true love send to me? Oh, there's two of them. There is 2 Molten Brown. Oh, I love Molten Brown because they smell amazing. Number 1. This is the shampoo and the conditioner, but use Molten Brown body cream and then put your perfume. You smell gorgeous. You smell like a snack. Delicious snack. Okay. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Okay, it's not 5 golden rings. It's Goat Milk Kate Sommerville Moisturizing Cleanser. It's a cleanser, guys. You can never have enough of cleansers. Curious to see, it is that. On the 6th day, which is today, hey guys, what is this? It's a wristwatch band. It's green as well, Christmas color, you know what I mean. They've got 2. You're the type that wears your Apple Watch just to monitor your steps or monitor whatever, and you want to do your skincare, trying to wash your face, you can wear this over your watch to prevent water from, you know, dripping down into it. So, game changer for all skincare girlies as well. What might we have tomorrow on the 7th day of Christmas? I don't know what it is, but it looks beautiful already. Oh my god, I think I already know what this is. If you say this, what comes to your mind? I've been seeing this blush everywhere. I mean, everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, everywhere on my social. Guys, I'm so happy to have this right now. And I cannot wait to unbox the rest, guys. I think I should unbox them before the day, so I should do the following week on the 8th instead of waiting till the end of the week to do them. I don't know, but yeah, this has been fun for me, and I hope it has been for you guys as well. I can use this for a mini drawer for all my skincare stuff, makeup stuff. I don't know, but it's a cute box. You have come to the end of this video, and I hope you had fun watching it, and I hope you're looking for what's in here from the 8th to the 14th of December. We love an advent calendar. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, what's up? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.